Well, you know, tomorrow should still start off to be a pretty decent day. Like today, pretty decent. I mean, upper 80s, lower 90s across the valley today. We should do that again for tomorrow. But then some moisture approaches. But I don't think that will be the bigger story. We've got a little disturbance you might be able to see offshore right now. That's what's generating some cloud cover, but not a big rainmaker there, nor should this be for us. But this looks like a big storm, which it is. It'll bring us some very strong wind more than anything else. Not to say in the local mountains and certainly west by midweek have a chance for rain. No, we do, certainly. And even across our valley, it would be a very small chance. This is not really a rainmaker because the moisture will likely stay mostly to the north. But it'll be beneficial rain for areas that will draw out that rain. And with that series of fronts coming through, we will get a series of wind coming into the valley. But look at 48-hour futurecast. It tends to differ a little bit from other computer models. You can see it does produce some shower activity in the next 48, generally west of the mountains and within the mountains themselves and down to the south through San Diego County. So it's still an issue. And like I said, a series of fronts, that means some wind for the end of the weekend into early next week as well. But look at the first one coming through. Upper 80s again, lower 90s across the valley like we saw in thermal. We saw lower 90s in thermal today. And boom, you drop down into the 70s quickly, back up into the 80s as we warm things up with high pressure again. And then we'll probably drop the temperatures back down again by early next week. A very busy forecast. All right, Gino, Elizabeth.